Hello and welcome back to the Pocket Yogi. Today's session is all about twists. While this practice is for all levels, feel free to modify at any place you're uncomfortable. Begin in a comfortable seated position at the center of your mat. Roll your shoulders back. Close your eyes if you prefer. Taking a moment to find some stillness. Deep breath in all the way to your belly. And your breath out. One more. Deep breath in. And your breath out. Gently open your eyes if they were closed. Inhale, raise your arms from the side, palms touching. Exhale, gently bringing them back down. Inhale, raising your arms all the way up. Exhale, twisting to the right, resting your left palm on your right knee. Look over your right shoulder. Inhale, back to the center, arms up ahead. Deep breath out as you twist to the left. Inhale, raise your arms back to the center, lowering them down as you breathe out. Taking a moment before we move on to a seated half white-legged forward fold with a twist. Wow, that was a long name. I promise the asana is much more easier. Extend your right leg out diagonal to the mat, keeping your foot flexed. Breathing out, rolling your shoulders back. Inhale, raising your arms, palms together. As you exhale, gently twist to the right, keeping your left palm on your right shin or your knee if that's difficult for you. If the twist feels relaxing to you, you can also rest your right palm on the outer left hip. Lean forward into your twist with every exhalation if you can. Inhale, releasing from the twist, raising your arms, get a nice stretch in. Exhale, arms by your side. Onto the other side, so bending your right leg in and extending your left leg out. Making sure your foot remains flexed. Inhale, raising your arms. Exhale, this time we twist to the left. Focusing on your breath as you get deeper into your twist. Inhale, we come back to the center, raise your arms, exhale and release. Now come on to a tabletop position for a few rounds of cat-cow, as always focusing on the alignment. Taking a deep breath in, arching your back, scooping your shoulders away from your ears. With an exhalation, start the curving movement from your tailbone and journey up towards your neck. 5 rounds of cat-cow here. arching your back with an inhalation and curving your back, pressing your navel up your spine with an exhalation. Back in tabletop position, raise your right arm up and thread it right under to your left. Keeping your hips raised, resting the right side of your head on the mat, extend your left arm in front of you. Back in neutral tabletop position, raising your left arm up and threading it under to your right for a gentle spinal twist. Back to the tabletop, knees off the mat, hips up high, into your first downward facing dog. Taking it easy, bending one knee at a time for a gentle hamstring stretch. Remember to press your palms down firmly so you're pressing your body away from the mat. Find whatever dynamic movement feels right to you. Pushing your body forward into a plank, maintaining an active core. Lower down slowly as you breathe out, belly on the mat, scooping your torso up into a cobra with an inhalation. Breathe out, tuck your toes back into a downward facing dog. Raise your left leg up, swing it forward into a low lunge. Right knee on the mat, inhale and raising your arms. We're all about twists today, so hooking your right tricep over your left knee in a prayer pose. Palms back on the mat, back to the down dog, and moving to the low lunge on the right. Add the similar twist if that feels good to you. And remember to breathe. Exhale, palms on the mat, back back to the down dog. Inhale, shifting forward into a plank. Exhale as you slowly lower down. Inhale, scooping your torso up into a cobra. Exhale, tuck your toes into the downward facing dog. Inhale, step forward, come halfway up. Rest your palms on the shins if that's comfortable. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, raise your arms for a full body stretch. Exhale, palms at the heart center. Taking a moment to connect back with your breath. When you're ready, keep your feet hip-width apart. Inhale, lower your hips down slowly without arching your back into a chair pose. Extend your hands in front of you. A twist modification for this, swing your left arm all the way back and look over your left shoulder. Back to the center and now twisting gently to the right. Make sure you're actively extending your right hand back, maintaining the integrity of the chair pose. Back to the center, keeping your arms extended in front of you. Exhale and slowly lower down with your hips on the mat and your toes resting on the mat. Preparing for a boat pose, so lean back ever so slightly, deep breath in and raise your legs off the mat, toes pointing forward, and if you can, hook your right tricep over to your left knee and twist to the left. You may also want to hook your left palm over your right hip to get deeper twist on your left side. Release, lean forward and rest your feet back on the mat. Now attempting the boat pose on the right, this time I would encourage you to push yourself and straighten out those legs. But if you can't, don't fret, keep them bent. Making micro adjustments to stay balanced in this pose. And release with your feet and your back on the mat. Lift your feet, hug your knees, rock from side to side. A gentle stretch from side to side, soaking in all the practice that you have done just now. Extending your left leg out, pushing your right leg over to the left, your right arm stretched to your side. Hug your right knee one more time and switch sides. Hold for a few breaths. And release. Extend both your legs out, feet splayed out to the sides, your arms resting beside you, palms facing up. Taking a few breaths all the way to your belly and exhaling with your mouth. Staying in Shavasana for as long as you like. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for joining me in this session. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.